Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajing jing start kadai kawai ne kibadan kam ha kani kajuk Kaba Bynta. Kumshi Bynta ban ai jing kersha ni Samla kiba pulih ha ka kelas 10 kiban satho e ka exam SSLC ha uni usnam uban 1 na kaliang ka kong Jasmine Mary Lingdo kelas dang ka free coaching na ka Bynta ki Samla pulih kiba 1 na kalong yeng ka baduna ha kaliang kayo ka kon. Ha bakren ha kani kasngi ka kong Jasmine ka ong ba kum kinong yalam kiriban pet ye ka jing e ka baki khana pulih ki ya kendu bat kani ka free coaching kan beteng ha kini kisnam kiban 1 ru kumju. Na kaliang ka kong amparin ding do ha bakran ha kani kasingi kum ka kong san kalau ong ha kasingi ba kani ka jaka puli ka sedang persyang ban bu syarut iki mobile phone na ka Bynta ar kanta bat lada ki khana kila ban le e kani kinna ban kenjo ya ka thong shu ka kong amparin kalau ong balada ka kong Jasmine kan sam pisa shi ki patba kibun kibriu kinyawan hendai ka kong Jasmine klasyem no da kani kalat kata ban ai jing hikai ya ki Samla kalau ong ru compare lada ki Kmie ki pa kim Thep wood sha ka kong Jasmine namar ka e ka ba ka le ka de na ka Bynta ka lawai ba bha jong ki Samla puli ki ba de ki khon ki khti jong ki.
We think that if we can better the lives of our future generation, this state will grow. This state will have a citizen of individuals who will begin to act responsibly, who will begin to value their lives, and who will be able to stand on their own feet. Why would Jasmine give you a free tuition? Why? This is the day and age when you see, if you say Jasmine will be distributing 500 rupees to everybody who comes to shake her hands, we will probably not have enough space all the way up to that gate. But because Jasmine is not giving them money, but she's saying, I'll teach your kids and make sure that they get the tuition that you cannot afford to send them to. That is why we're just a handful of people. But let me tell you this, you are the fortunate ones who have taken the decision to come on your own, to join this free tuition program. Did anybody force you to come here? You came on your own? You must be saying that if somebody is willing to teach me, then I must go. So that is the first step that you have taken. I just heard Miss say 4 to 7 p.m. Just make sure that when you leave the gates of your tuition center, you will go straight home. Because your parents will be panicked if you don't go home after 7. We don't want you to get lost along the way. That is also very important. Parents are tired of running behind their children. Why do you need someone to police you? Do you need somebody to constantly go kang, kang, kang on your ear and say, study, 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 study? We should not look at studying as something which is such a big burden. I would like you to all, from the day your program starts, to try first to part friends with your mobile phones. If you can put away your mobile phones for 2 hours as these teachers want you to while you are in this institution, then you will go places. You will reach somewhere. It is so sad that after every result, for so many decades now in the state of Meghalaya, that out of every 100 kids do the matric board exam, only 50 of them pass. There are some districts where out of 100 children that do the board exam, likely only 3 or 4 of them pass. So we are fortunate that Dr. Jasmine, in her wisdom, has decided to launch this program. One thing I liked about her plan was not just to teach you, but to try and make that teaching fruitful, result-oriented, and with some amount of fun and challenge. I know that it is going to be difficult for you to come to this institution, but believe it or not, Miss Jess told you that if you don't have 90% attendance, chutti, sit at home. Oh my gosh. So take it seriously. I was one person who never actually liked to study. But I had a father and a mother who just won't let me go. They would not scold us. They will not spank us. They will not shout at us. But on my birthday, be sure if I didn't do well in my exam, my dad would make sure I will not even get a clip or a pin on my birthday. That was the biggest insult that has taught me a lesson all my life. So here is this opportunity. Grab it, take it, and don't be like that stubborn horse who, even if the master takes him to the pond to drink the water, he will refuse to drink the water. Be open. Open your attitude, your approach. Give this your best. And I will tell Dr. Jasmine that if so many students attended this program, if you clear 3 consecutive tests, I will reward you with something. I would like to see you take it seriously. I will allow you to name any one gift that you won from our family to you. In my constituency, I have passed the stage of coaching and conducting tuitions for my young citizens. I'm now at that stage where, by hook or by crook, every child must be in a classroom, irrespective of age, gender, or any other bias. It is my mission. And today, I am so glad to know that in one of the remotest schools in my constituency called Little Flower School, we have 48 students out of 130 plus students who have letters in not less than 3 subjects. That is the kind of result that you should give Dr. Jasmine after 20 years of her being your MLA. In my constituency, I'm going for my 5th election, and I'm happy that a school like Savio also had almost, I think they had a 99% pass percentage. That is what I wanted, and that was what I was working to. If we can do it in 16 East Shillong, Dr. Jasmine can do it in North Hima.
Yes, sure.
It doesn't matter if your parents don't vote for her. This has nothing to do with voting. You vote for her, you don't vote for her. She's here to help you build your future. We are not interested in your votes. Because education is not politics, and politics should never influence education. Kamdei kum kajing ek jomi ni dang kham yo an bande shibon ki happy competition is too stiff. Do not be afraid. Just go along with what is happening before you. We will be there for you. We will help you. And I'm promising you this, whatever Jasmine wants for the success of this project. I will be there for her. Thank you, teachers. Cannot imagine such qualified teachers we have in our midst. Now you know, get cracking. It's going to be frustrating, but it's okay. It's okay. God will bless you. We will pray for you. We will pray for these kids. And I wish this program all the success. This year, we are focusing on North Kmie constituency because we thought that yes, since we are doing a pilot project, we should also be able to study the processes, study the structures that we are putting in, and also to be able to look at the difficulties that we are facing, because we want that this program will be carried on year after year after year. And it's also a program that probably, will reach out and resonate to the society at large. As we are looking at this year's exams, I think you will see that the number of students who have sat for the matriculation exams is about 57,000. And half of that have cleared the exams. About 32,000 have cleared. So we can see that there's a big gap in how students preparing for the exams are actually reaching their goals. So that's why we wanted to put this mission before you, who are residents of the North Kmie, to take this initiative and to be able to provide a kind of a guidance and a kind of a direction to our students. So the motto that we have put for this particular coaching program is to believe and achieve. I think that motto tells us that yes, when we started this program, we believed that yes, we can do so much to the society. Students can believe that when they are preparing for their 10th board exams, they can also achieve the goals that they put before them. So, for our dear students and the parents of our students, I must tell you that we can start with the thought that yes, I believe that this is important for me. So, our program basically is a program, that looks at three very important things. One is to provide an opportunity for students to achieve success in the 10th board exams. And this is the utmost importance for confidence building in our students also. It is also important for our students to cross this milestone before they can take up any vocational courses. Because I think most of the vocational courses that we are seeing that are being offered today require a minimum of 10th board exams. So when we are going to help our students to cross this milestone of the 10th board exams, it doesn't end there. For us, these are the students that we have adopted, and that we are going to provide further guidance to our students on how they will choose subjects for their 11th and 12th, and how they can, expand their career, after they have crossed the milestone of the 10th board.